If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Fortnite account, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you enable account sync effectively. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website and log into your account. Make sure you use the same account that you want to sync with Fortnite. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Link your accounts. In the account settings, find the Connections tab. Here, you can link your console accounts like PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch and other platforms like PC or mobile to your Epic Games account. Step 4. Verify linked accounts. After linking, ensure that all accounts are properly connected. You should see a confirmation for each linked account. If any accounts are not linked, repeat the linking process. Step 5. Restart Fortnite. Once all accounts are linked and verified, restart Fortnite on your device. This will refresh the game and should resolve any sync issues you were experiencing. By following these steps, you should be able to enable account sync and enjoy a seamless gaming experience in Fortnite. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.